besties, welcome back to this house of fashion. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today's episode is going to be on how to cut this lovely gathered dress with a cup sleeve. So for this particular style, the plain is going for the upper part and the flowered one is going for the down part. So if you want to cut out this particular dress, you will need 4 yards of any fabric of your choice. So the upper part of the dress can be 2 yards or 1.5, and the down part of the dress, if you want to combine a flower and the plain fabric together, can be 2.5 yards or 2 yards, just to make it 4 yards. So this is the folding out of the upper part of the dress, which is the half cut. I folded it out in such a way that it's going to have a zip allowance at the back. You can see my zip allowance of 1 inch. Then here is my length of the half cut, which I will be using 10 inches. The 10 inches is with the same allowance, you can see. Then the next thing I'm going to do here is to take the shoulder measurement. The shoulder measurements to be 5 inches. Here you can see the 5 inches. Then the shoulder slant of 1/2 inch. Then I'm going to slant it up to the center of both back and front here. Then I'm taking the armhole to be 5 inches as well, you can see. Then at the armhole line, that is where we're going to take our bust measurement, so I'll be taking my bust measurement from there, and this is my half cut. Then my bust measurement here is going to be 26 inches. That is 6.5 inches, you can see, with the same allowance of 1 inch, you can see. Then here is 24 inches. That is 6 in 4 places, as you can see, 6 in 4 places, with the same allowance of 1 inch as well, 1 inch here. Then I'm going to connect them together, then to the armhole, to the shoulder, you can see. So after sketching them out, the next thing is to cut it. So I'm cutting from the slant shoulder to where the shoulder ends. Then I'm going in the armhole, you can see, to the bust measurement with the allowance, which is the same allowance, then to the full length of the half cut, you can see, with the allowance. So we are done with the cutting of the half cut here. Then the next thing you're going to cut out here is the neckline. I don't want the neckline to be too wide, you can see, so I'll be taking the dart first. The dart is going to be the distance of the 2 busts. So I'm just going to notch it out, but before then, let me divide the back into 2. You can see the division. It depends on how you fold your fabric. The way I folded this, that makes the zip allowance to be in fold. I have to divide it by cutting it out. Then after this, now after the cuttings, then the next thing I'm going to do here is to trim it, make it equal. So after trimming everything here, the next thing I'm going to do is to cut out the neckline. The wideness of the shoulder I'm using here is 2.5 inches, you can see. 2.5 inches is here for the wideness of the shoulder. Then the deepness also is going to be 2 inches, but that is going for the front neckline. I will now take 1 inch for the back neckline. I will now connect it, so I cannot cut them now. I can cut out the necklines. As you can see, this is for the back, then that one is for the front, you can see. This is for the front. So after cutting this out, now it has a slit at the front, so I'm going down to 2 inches just to bring out this slit. So if you want the slit to come out perfectly, just put a stay at the neckline at where the slit is going to reach, then take your neckline. You can turn it with under fabric to make it facing. So this is the dart. That is the distance of the 2 busts. I used 2.5 inches. That is 5 inches distance. So you can see now we are done with the body. The next thing to cut out here is the sleeve. After folding this into 4, you can see this is for both sleeves. Then is a cup sleeve, don't forget. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to take the length. I'll be making use of 4 inches for the length. The 4 inches is with the folding of the sleeve, you understand? This is 4 inches for the length here. Then 2 inches here is where to curve to shape out the sleeve. That's the length, which is 4 inches. This is 3 inches. You now see the way I'm going to bring out the shape of the sleeve. Now you can see, you can just bring it out, then hand it at 4. So by the time I cut it, like you see the way I'm going to cut it, like this, like S sign, then you hand it at 4. You can see it. Then you cut it out. Just a small cup sleeve. You can see. So we are done with the cutting of the sleeve. You can see the shape of the cup sleeve. Just curve it a little bit like that, then you cut it out like this. So you can as well cut out a facing for this sleeve, make it double, use it to turn each other, then you place it at the armhole. You can see this is how it's going to be. This is the other one. So you can as well fold it this way or use it to turn each other. So we are done with the half cut with the sleeve. The next thing is to join the plain, a straight plain. This is a straight plain that I'm going to join to the half cut first, and this is 1 yard and 30 inches. It's not up to 2 yards. So that is what we are joining. We are going to place around the 24 inches waist, you understand? The length we are adding to this now is 7 inches. The 1 inch from the 7 inches is going for the seam allowance, half inch up, half inch down to the other straight cut you are plating on the half cut, you understand? And the half cut was 10 inches plus 6 inches, that's 16 inches, and we're going to 33 inches. So the remaining fabric that is coming to join this straight one to make a complete length, make it a complete length, complete full dress, you understand? So this is the one I'm talking about. They have the same wideness. Then this length now we complete the full length of the dress, which is 33 inches. So we have cut the half cut, the sleeve, the 2 straight cut. They're going to stitch together before pleating it on the half cut. They are all here. So let me go and join everything together and show you the finishing. Welcome back. Here are the finished work so far. This is after joining everything together. You can see the slits at the front. I'm trying to tell you, if you want this slit to come out nice, just make sure you add a gum stay at that neckline, at the front of the neckline, so the slit will come out nice. You can see it now. You can see the cup sleeve, you can see the joining, you can see how rhyme it is, you can see how beautiful this dress turns out. You can see the down part here, and also this is the shoulder, you can see, and here is the back. You can see the back. I added a zip to it. You can see my zip at the back. You can see the pleat, you can see the cup sleeve, you can see how beautiful the cup sleeve is. You can see it. So if you're watching for the first time, what are you waiting for? Just subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials. And for those people that have already subscribed, I really appreciate you guys for watching my video always, for clicking on my video always. Thank you so much. May Almighty God continue to enrich your pocket. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.